In this video, I'm gonna share with you the exact strategy that you can use to make $100 to $300 per day using Zillow. And this is the exact method that I created to hit my first $10,000 per month. And don't worry, I'm not here to sell you some course or coaching program. This is what I wish I knew 8 years ago when I dropped out of college and tried to make my first dollar online. If you think this business model makes sense, just leave a like, drop a comment down below and subscribe, and I'll send you over a private link to unlock my free step-by-step course for this business model, as well as all of my templates and scripts 100% for free. So here's what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna find a real estate agent on Zillow. Second, we're gonna build an AI agent without coding. And then we're gonna set this up one time for them and make $297 per month every single month. Now, let's get straight into the video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make $300 per day with AI by helping real estate agents get more appointments. In this video, I'm gonna cover an overview of the business model, the exact problem that we're gonna be solving, and how to do outreach successfully so you can start getting customers, and then how we deliver the solution completely with AI. So the business model is super simple. We're gonna find real estate agents, we're gonna help them get more appointments for their business, and we're gonna charge them a low monthly fee because AI and software are gonna do the majority of the work for us, and we wanna build monthly recurring revenue so we don't start each month at zero. And so what's the problem? Well, real estate agents only make money when they sell a house. If the house doesn't sell, they don't get paid despite their time, effort, and money invested. And our solution is AI will answer all of their phone calls, saving the agent time, money, and helping them get more appointments. So let's get straight into our outreach strategy so you can start getting customers. The first step is we're gonna get free leads right here on Zillow. So you can go to Zillow.com and click on the agent finder button, type in any city and state, and then basically see a list of all of these different real estate agents. You can see their average price point that they're selling homes in. You can see the number of sales that they've had, and you can get all of this information completely free. And if you click on one of these agents' profiles, you can easily find their contact information, like their name, their email, and their phone number. And most of the time it's right here on their website. So I can give you an example of how easy this is to find. If we go to the About section here and we click on our team, we can see that the agent's phone number is right here and the agent's email is right there. So real estate agents are one of the niches where it's extremely easy to find their information. So what we're going to do is basically collect our list of leads so that we can start sending outreach messages to them. So now that we've gotten our free leads right here on Zillow, now we need to send them a personalized outreach message. And there's a few key components to making this outreach work really well. So here's an overview of our outreach strategy. We're going to send a simple email to the real estate agent showing their exact listing in the address, as well as a video of us looking at the listing and reaching out to them personally. And so you can see here it says, "Hey Jeff, I saw your listing on Da Vinci Court has been on the market for 44 days. I made you an AI bot to help you sell it. Want to try it completely free?" And then I just say, "Quinn, P.S. if you click the image, you'll see I made you a custom video." And so when we send this email over to that agent, we then, if they respond positively, will create them an AI agent that can answer all of their calls and inquiries about this particular property that they are trying to sell. And the best part is we only do work if they respond positively. And two, this only takes about 3 to 5 minutes to actually set up. So I'm actually going to demo the AI agent for you right now so you can see how powerful it is. Check it out.
Hi. I'm Jackie, an AI agent here to answer any questions about 8230 Santa Clara Drive. How can I help?
Yeah, I was just curious, how many bedrooms does the property have?
Hey there. The property has 5 bedrooms. One of them is flexible and can be used as an office or nursery. Anything else you'd like to know?
Yes. How many bathrooms does it have?
It has 4 bathrooms, 3 full and 1 half. Anything else you're curious about?
The square footage.
The home offers 4,257 square feet of living space. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
Yes. Can I book an appointment?
Absolutely. What days and times work best for you to schedule a showing?
Saturday at 11 a.m.
Great. I'll pencil you in for a showing on Saturday at 11 a.m. Thanks for your interest, and I hope you enjoy the tour.
So now you can see how powerful this system will be to help a real estate agent save a ton of time. And most real estate agents don't have assistants or people that they can hire to answer the phones 24/7. So we're going to install this AI agent for them and help them get way more appointments for the properties that they're trying to sell. So what I recommend is getting the agent to agree to a free trial, because it only takes us about 3 to 5 minutes to set this up. And really our goal here is for the agent to see us as a solution to other problems that they may have in their business. And once we are viewed as an AI expert and we have our foot in the door, we can build them a ton of other systems to help them grow their business. So you can start with something like a free 7-day trial. And if that agent starts getting calls and appointments that are being booked completely by the AI, all you have to do is say, if you want to keep this going, it's $300 per month, and we can support unlimited listings or even have this book appointments for you from your other lead sources. So you can see how simple this business model is, but how valuable it is. And on top of it, we're not doing a ton of manual work and trading our time for money. So now let me show you exactly how to deliver the solution and how you can set this up in literally less than 5 minutes. So the first step is to find one of the agent's listings. If we go to Zillow and we click on for sale right here, we can see that this agent is attempting to sell these 3 properties. We just simply click on the address of the property, and then we open up ChatGPT and we just use this simple prompt right here. And then all we're going to do is put in quotations all of the information about this property. Then I simply copy it and paste it right over here. And then ChatGPT will clean everything up and turn this into an actual prompt. And we're literally 90% done with this setup. So you can see ChatGPT is writing this out in real time, and it's cleaning up all of the data. It's even pulling the correct agent's name and their company name. So everything is pretty much done. Now all we need to do is copy and paste this, and we can test this out for this specific property. So now I've copied this entire prompt from ChatGPT, and I'm simply going to put this into our voice AI bot software. So once I'm inside of this software here, I'm just going to click on create agent, and I'm going to name the agent Jackie. For the business name, I'll use the business name that the agent is a part of. For language, I'm just going to choose English. However, this software does have other languages that you can use this AI agent for. And then for the voice, I'm just going to stick with Samantha here, but you can see there's a ton of other voices that you can pick from. I'll leave the time zone as is. And currently this software only supports inbound calls, so we're going to leave that as is. And now for our agent's initial message, we're going to go back over here to our prompt, and we're going to copy and paste this first line right here so that we can tell the AI agent exactly what to say when they answer the phone. So I've simply copy and pasted this right here, and now I'm going to click next. So now we're in the agent goals section. So how do we want the agent to actually behave, and what information do we want it to collect? Well, because we already have a prompt from ChatGPT, we can actually ignore this entire section and click on switch to advanced mode. And I don't think this could literally be easier, because all we're going to do is go back to our prompt, and we are just going to simply copy and paste everything from below the intro message over, and we now have our system ready to go. So we just make sure that everything is there. Now we're just going to simply click on next. Then we simply select our phone number from this system. So I'm going to click on this one. So there's 2 ways to set up our AI agent. We could have it so the AI agent will answer all calls directly, which would be this turned off, or we can turn it on so that the AI agent will answer the call only if the real estate agent in this case doesn't pick up. Depending on what the agent wants, you can turn this on or off. Since I'm going to demo this for you guys right now, I'm going to turn this off, and then we can also set up custom hours for the agent if you'd like to do so. I'm excited to test this out for you, so let's save this and give it a call. So remember, this is for a completely different property now, and we're only doing this once the agent says yes, they want to test it out. And you can see it literally is just copy and paste work. And now when I give it a call, you'll see it's a completely different system.
Thank you for calling about 2950 McKinney Avenue, apartment 303 in Uptown Dallas. How can I assist you today?
Hey, I saw the sign and I was just curious when this property was built.
Hey there. This property was built in 2006. Anything else you're curious about?
Yeah, how many bedrooms and bathrooms does it have?
It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. Anything else you'd like to know?
Yeah, when can I do a showing?
The next available time for a showing is tomorrow at 9 a.m.
So that is how you can make $300 per day with AI, helping real estate agents get more appointments.